Welcome back, generals, to another Let's Fix the Generals 0 Hour to make the best game ever. We are still developing unassemblize tool. We just crossed 300 videos on this series, and hopefully 300 more are to come. 900, 1200, maybe 3000. We will see. As years pass by, a lot of videos can be created. Okay, so last video we have made good progress here with with decorating our function list here with some information about the matching, the matched functions. There's something came to mind. I think we don't need to actually store the similarity inside the struct. Instead, we can probably just pass it. So we have isMatch function, and then we can maybe put a std optional similarity. So int 8t similarity. That's what I was thinking, yeah. And then we can put that here, the optional. That means we need to include optional. Include optional here. And then yeah, then we can remove this guy here, and this way the struct will be much more compact. That's good. And then we say similarity. I think it has value, yeah. Has value. Then similarity dot value, which should turn integer. Yeah. Okay, and then so similarity optional, yeah. And then wherever we call this guy, maybe we can say optional empty. Similarity empty, and then here we pass we put int 8t similarity, and then we just pass it here. What's going on there with the formatting? What is this here? What? What is it? What? That is wild. I don't know where this comes from here. All these brackets. Okay. And then we make this here const as well. Yeah. Okay. And then maybe that compiles. It does. Okay, good. And then what? And then we right. So next step, we want to color change the color of these guys. Here, change the color of this here. Here, yeah. The question is, how do we do that? Oh. Oh, actually, hold on. The similarity value we stored there because we need it for our color. Oh. Right. Well, 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 well. Hmm. Name function UI info. Well, what? I mean, we can also get this info from if we check the okay, let's ask first ChatGPT. How can we change the colors of a ImGUI selectable? Push style color. Header hovered, header active. Header hovered, text. Yeah. Okay, yeah, so the question is, where do we get this info now from? Do we want to store it in the label, in the UI info, or do we just query it again from match info to matches? No. Yes. To matches comparison. Yeah. Okay, looks like we need another function here. Match info. Get filtered. Name function. Match info. And then, well, it's getting kind of absurd, doesn't it? It's getting a bit absurd. Maybe we remove the asserts. Maybe instead we just put an assert for index smaller than this. Smaller than filter.size. I think that makes sense. Maybe here we just put it in place here, like that. Yeah. Yeah, why not? Why not? Okay, and then here. So we would name match info. Oh boy. Match info. Get filtered name match info. And then we would get comparison. Now the descriptor dot matched functions. Okay, so match functions. Maybe match info dot matched index, and then dot named index pair. I do wonder. Yeah, and maybe we should also have a helper function for this thing. Inside the comparison descriptor. So we can say get matched named function, get matched function, and we pass index t side and index t matched function index side, right? Hold on, we only need this thing here. Let's comment this. So we need const matched function. Matched function. And inside the matched function, we get comparison dot get similarity as int. There we go. Needs to calculate again. Oh. Yeah, I mean, we could store it in the UI info as well, maybe even as like a color already, a sampled color. But maybe just do it here. Selection change. Here would we also need to pass a strictness. Okay, for now, let's put here is match strictness to lenient. To do make configurable. Okay. Before we do this here, let's first see if this here works. Restore original colors. I think we need a new struct that helps us with this stuff here. It's too much in place. Let's see how this looks now. Well, it looks as original. No, it doesn't look as original, but it looks similar. Okay, so we probably need a struct where we can header Harvard selectable. Let's look into this. So it uses item header. Header here. Header active, header Harvard. How do we figure out the colors that we want to use? Okay, so I think what we need is we need a struct struct it's called a scoped selectable color, and then in here we will have a set base color. I have a set base color. We have a constructor and we have a destructor. And on the constructor we don't do anything because it's optional. Shit. Maybe we say set and then what do we set? Oh boy. Push style color. What does it take? MU32. MU32 or MVEC. MU32. Let's call this push base color. And then we have a MU32 color or imvec const imvec4 color. Yeah, push base color. And then scoped. And here we have a destructor. Then we have a member private int or int 8 t m pushed count 0. Then we say on the structure, if push count is larger than 0, then we call this here, this, and with this pushed count, let's call this pop count. Pop count. Okay. And then we have these guys here, and we we use this somehow now to create the color. Color convert float to you. Okay. So we have here color convert functions. Okay, let's see what kind of converters do we have here. Convert float 4, blend colors, alpha blend colors, col A, col B. Why alpha blend colors? I don't understand. What does this do here? What does the imgui alpha blend colors function do? Blends two colors based on the alpha channel of the second color. Aha. Okay, I see. So let's say we take red color and then alpha blend colors. So that means, so let's say we have red and green, and then we can, well, yeah, right. So 50% would be, yeah, my suspicion is when similarity is 50%, then the alpha for both colors will be 255. And then if it goes above, then the red alpha will decrease. And if it is below 50%, then the green alpha will decrease towards 0. right? Maybe. Let's see. You can blend down as follows: semi-transparent red, opaque blue. What happens? What happens if both colors have 255 alpha? Will completely overwrite. Oh. Oh. Completely override the background color. This because the alpha blending formula gives full priority. Hey. Wait. Gives full priority to the foreground when the alpha is maximum. Ah, okay. Then it's even simpler. Then we just put red as our background color, and then we just scale green with the similarity. That's it. Okay, that's simple enough. Okay, cool. Then we have all the tools we need. Yeah. Wait, but there's still an open question regarding push base color. Push base color. Maybe we say push style colors. A push style color. So here, let's see. So background when selected or hovered. Background cover when hovered. Selected or hovered. Active background when clicked. Text color. Okay, let's put a push style color HSV. Oh, now I need to remember how HSV worked. Oh boy. Does HSV also have alpha or not? Oh boy. MGUI. Let's search for HSV. RGB. There's no alpha. HSV. So we say pop count is 4 and push style color. Push style color. Scope selectable color. Header. Why is this called header? Header. Maybe you should call it scoped header color. Header. Then background when selected or hovered. Okay, so my assumption is that HSV also has alpha channel, alpha value at the end. That's my assumption right now. Okay, so the hovered, what happens if we hover? It is a little bit brighter. And when we select it, it's I don't know, it's a bit darker, isn't it? Can we get the original value of this one? Header. Color stock. Okay, so let's see. Huh. It's also a stark contrast with these. Aha, they only change the opacity values. Look at that. Oh. Okay. Interesting. So I guess we can do the same. Maybe. Let's see. So we need, so we pass a, well, in that case, we don't need the HSV, just pass RGB straight away, color. But header, hovered, active. That's not much here, isn't it? Yeah. Let's test this and see how it looks. Maybe it's just fine. So we say color dot well, let's do 0.31, 0.80, and 1. Okay, and then we say Let's remove this. Then we say color dot x x and color y and color z. There we go. Background when selected or hovered. This is a bit ambiguous. Here it says background when selected or hovered, but here it says when hovered. What is it now? Maybe just say background when selected. But that can't be. It's 0.31. How about active? I think it's just background default, isn't it? Oh, I could be wrong. Because it's the darkest here. Here it's brighter. Yeah, so it's like this dark blue here. This is probably this background default, which is not much. It's not much. So I would say we experiment first with like 50 or so. Background when hovered, when clicked. Or maybe go straight to 60. Header, hovered, header active. Maybe 60 is too much. Let's go with 50 for starters. Okay, and then we background default when hovered, when clicked. Okay, so let's well, let's remove this here for now. Actually, yeah, let's remove it for now. Okay. Okay. Scoped header color. Okay. Okay, and then here we say scoped header color. Header color. Okay. Then we put this here. And so we say put the header color here. And we say match info here. If match info dot is matched, then we do this stuff here, right? And then we do header color dot push this, and there we push now. So we have im vec4 Then we have some imcol, imcol, green color. Maybe we should here green color, red color, red color. So that will be 2550. Imgui, Misk, Imgui. Blend colors. Ah, it takes MU. Okay, and it gets MU. Alpha blend colors. Okay, then. So let's say alpha blend colors. So we have red color. So we have imgui. This we have a red color here, and oh boy, has no member. Oh, it's internal. Why is this internal? Well, what we can do is we just make a copy of it then. So we go to im. Blend colors, col A, col B. Let's say copied from imgui internal.h. Now the question is, what about this guy here? Okay, that's public. Okay. Okay, so then let's do im alpha blend colors. And there we pass col B. Yeah, how about we do imcol 255 0 0, and then we have here int 8t similarity, and that's a const, and the similarity we put here, and Wait, this is also red. That's wrong. It needs to be here. 255. Similarity. The problem is 255 divided by 100. Yeah, it's a bit of a problem. Yeah, it's too. So we would need to. I don't know. Convert to floats. Maybe. Or we just do it times. Imcoil. Or we get it as float. I mean, we can take it as float and then do similarity times 255. Maybe. Maybe. So this is, what does it return? MU32 color, that's color, const color, and well, actually it looks like push color U32 EMU32 color, color converts U32 to float 4. GUI, and we do call push that color that. Okay. Maybe here we do MGUI scoped, now MGUI MISC 255, 255. Okay, that doesn't compile. Okay, U32. There we go. Maybe well, maybe we also call it RGB. RGB color. Maybe we should call it RGBA just to be extra explicit. Actually, alpha is ignored here. It's just RGB. Okay, does this work? Maybe. I think it's a little bit complicated here. Yeah. Aha. Okay, this looks correct to begin with. We have 0% is red. Yeah. Let's select the single bundle. Huh, this highlights as 0 because we didn't click it yet. Huh. Huh. Okay, that's weird. That's weird. I'm a bit curious, like, why does it show red when we hover it, but it doesn't show red? Like, I'm a bit confused why it behaves like this. Like, I would have... Okay, let's click one function. Okay, it's red, green. Okay, looks like 50% is maybe a bit too much. Okay, I don't understand why it's red when we hover. I mean, yeah, it is smashed, but we don't have a result yet. So similarity comes back as 0, but then I don't understand. Why does it not show red by default then? Let me see. Let's put a breakpoint here. So similarity is none. Oh. Not a number. Okay. How did that happen? How did that happen? Lenient. Oh, it's 0 divided by 0, isn't it? So it's 0, 0 divided by 0. Oh. Yeah, that gives us none. I see. How do we deal with that? I think we get ASM comparison results. I think we need to check is compared on matched function. Yeah. So we say is matched, and then here matched function, we say if matched function dot is compared. Only then we do the stuff here. Is compared. Get similarity. But still, I wonder, like, if this thing is 0, well, I think that shouldn't happen, right? Get some, I don't know. I guess this is fine enough for now, yeah. Okay. Let's see. Let's tone down the color here a little bit. Let's go to 31 like it was originally. Let's see how that looks. Okay. Compare. All right. So basically here this should fail for now, yeah. And now we shouldn't get, let's go to single bundle. Yeah, so now it's normal because it's not compared yet. Now we click it and now it shows us 87%. Okay. Oh, but that's weird. It only shows when we have it selected. Why is that? I mean, I also would like to see it when it's not selected. So when we hover, it shows us colors, but not when we unselect it. Okay, let's ask. How can we change the faint backgrounds, the faint default backgrounds color of a ImGUI selectable? Yeah, which one is it? Header, hovered, active, but that's not it. There must be some other. Yeah. Stop it. There must be some other color as well, because when no selection or hovering is made, then the color is unchanged from the ImGUI defaults. You're absolutely correct, yeah. Let's see. Frame BG. Ah, that could be. Yeah. Frame BG. What the hell? Oh. Okay. So you would have to manually do this ourselves. Oh. Okay. Huh. Oh. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. So basically here it uses frame style, this child. Frame style. Let's try to find this guy. Child, begin child. Oh. Yeah. So we look for something frame style here. Child BG. Push style color. Child BG. Okay, but maybe we can override this child BG color. Right? Maybe? Let's see. Child BG. And let's just put it here to, I don't know, 50. Let's say. Actually, hold on. Let's see the original child BG. Wherever that is set. Here. Child BG. Oh. It's 0. Well. Maybe it's frame BG then? Frame BG. Maybe. Let's test that. I have no idea. But he says it's... ChatGPT says it's frame BG. Let's see. Oh. Ah, right. We have to set this to 5. Let's try this again. No, that doesn't work. That doesn't work. Hmm. Hmm. I mean, we could also accept that, yeah, it only shows the colors when we select these guys, right? Like we select all and then it shows us the colors. And if we unselect it, it shows us no colors. We could say that, but I don't know. It's kind of weird. And we unselect it and we lose the information. It's a bit weird. Hmm. 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 Yeah, we need to find an easy way to also change the color, the default color here when it's not selected. So frame BG doesn't work. Set it right on the base background color of the container. Okay. Or the main window. You can inject a faint background behind the selectable. Global style adjustments. Frame BG. MGUI window flex, no backgrounds. So I mean, yeah, we guess we could do that. Frame style. Frame style. Child BG. Child flags. Borders. Windows padding. No move. Frame style. Frame BG. Frame BG. I guess we would have to remove this thing here and then we can do our own thing. Or, no, that doesn't work. Push stack. Okay, then let's remove this frame style thingy and see where this leads us. MGUI app. So, okay, so we remove this here. And basically it should then give us a neutral sort of background. Yeah. That's very bare bones, yeah. Good. So essentially, how do we do this? I don't know. Frame BG. Apply these before running selectable widgets. Huh. Yeah, but I think this is too late. The selectables, they draw over this child window, which already has this color applied. So I think we need to keep this style, but we draw some custom color over. Maybe. Header color. Boah. Last item rec data. Draw a faint background for the unselect unhovered states. Draw a list. Before rendering, select the bar. This one is confusing because, like, how does this work with when the first element is not the item? Then this would fail, no? This doesn't look correct to me here. It's if it would work, it would be magic. Yeah. Because this thing here, add rect. I mean, in principle, yeah, but last item. Would this work before before we actually draw the very first selectable, the very first imgui selectable? If not, is there another way to anticipate the default selectable size? It's selectable. Hold on. Does it take a size? It does take a size. Default selectable size. Let's see. What is the size? Size arc. Calc text size. Label size. Label size. Label. Okay, so label size, calc text size, label null true, label null, get text size, label, label size, calc text size, label. Okay, how about so label size, imgui calc text size. We have a label, and that is this one here, label. So I think we just label size const null pointer true. It's a bit stupid that we have to pass 0 that label size. Label size. Let's see. For starters, let's just put a green color. Direkt. Direkt. Is there another way to anticipate the rectangle for the next selectable, for the next MGUI selectable to draw? Will not work reliably for drawing the very first, yeah, because it refers to the rectangle, yeah. Calc text size, yeah. Get size. Anticipated rect. Let's hope that this is correct. Let's see. So we have width, we have height, cursor pause. Well, let's see if that works. If it does, we need to offload this into some helper function. It's too much here. We have a compile error. Okay, let's see what happens. Compare. It does nothing. Actually, it does something. It does something. It looks wild, let's say. I mean, there is a rectangle, yeah, but it's it's not good at all. Okay, so item width is not good. Or frame height is not good. Width also not good. Okay, so both of these are trash, yeah. Well, then this is maybe also trash. Calc text size. Okay, let's say we do text size, calc text size. Here, label size. Label size dot x, label size dot y. My expectation is that this can now draw over the boundaries of the box. Yeah, I mean it's not totally bad. I would say it's actually not bad. Yeah. I think it's yeah. I mean the color is wrong right now. Like green, always green is wrong, but just in principle, I guess we could do it like that, yeah. Just judging by the shape now. But the problem I foresee is if we have a very long item like this one here. Oh, it actually works. Look at that. I was afraid that it would draw here over the other sides, but it doesn't. Okay. So let's double check. Let's make this smaller. Yeah, okay, actually it works. We could do that, yeah. So let's say, so here it does green color. Let's do, color. Yeah, it's a bit too much. We need a little bit of alpha here, I think. Calc text size. Cursor pos. Let's make this const. Remove this. Remove all this garbage here. Let's do const this. Let's call this rect. And cursor pos and yeah. Maybe just call it cursor. No, cursor pos. Rect. Rect min, rect max. Yeah, so the question is how much transparency do we put there? And And how do we get that transparency? So we have a color. Color. Draw, add rect fills. So this one takes multicolor. Oh. Can we maybe just modify the alpha value of imcol? So there is an alpha mask here. White. Black. So imcol RGBA. Well, I guess we can just assemble a new color then. So we say here imcol, and we say here, yeah, color. We say color dot x, color y, color z, and then we just put a new value here, like, I don't know, 64. And that doesn't work. Why is it not working? Add rect fills. Somehow it doesn't work. I don't know why. This should probably be uint8t. I don't understand why it complains here. Maybe we need to const mu32 background color. And it's still complaining. Why? Oh, right. Yeah. We would need a const imvec4 then we say color for imgui, and there should be a function to convert to color to by push. Wait, I have it somewhere in here. Here. Then we do color. There we go. Then we do color 4 here. Then we also pass color 4 here. All right. Okay. So this is draw text background, and this is draw selection or color selection, color text backgrounds, color text, or yeah, color selection. Okay, so let's see. So we click here, we deselect it, and imcol RGBA. Why is this looking so weird now? It looks like it's just a little bit darker, isn't it? Huh? Why? What? I'm confused. Background color. Huh? Okay, let's put that at 255. I'm confused. Maybe it's it needs to be stronger. Maybe that's the problem. Man, this color stuff is so annoying, I have to say. But okay. So, okay, it's just dark and black, huh? Why? Oh, because this is float. Oh my gosh. Don't we have like a integer? Okay, how about we do, hold on. There probably is some function. Let's ask ChatGPT. Is there a helper function in imgui to create a new imu32 color with a new alpha value from another imu32? Does not provide. Yeah. ABBGGR. Huh. Okay. Yeah, I was afraid of this. Okay, but he does provide a solution. Yeah. Set alpha. Color alpha. Yeah. Imclamp. Clamp. Oh yeah, I guess you could do something like that. Have a new helper function. It's not a bad idea. So we go to imgui.misc and we have im-alpha blend colors, and we do im-alpha im. Let's do how do we want to call it? Create color or create color. And I would say we do uint32t alpha. And yeah, we put here alpha. No, that's a uint8. uint8 alpha. And we put that here. And here alpha shifted RGB. Yes. And we don't need the clamping. Combine RGB with new alpha. Yeah. Okay, this looks good. Create color. Let's put that here. Okay. Then remove this. Okay. Color. Okay. Let's just call this yeah, color. Create color. Alpha. Yeah. Or maybe we say blend colors. Blend colors. Maybe set alpha was a good name. Maybe not. Alpha. Create color alpha. Create color, I don't know. Okay, so let's go back in GUI up. Background color. Create color. And we pass color. And we pass 64. Good. Background color. Let's put this right here. Done. Then we can remove color 4. And we pass color here. Okay, let's see how that goes. Let's say change color or set color for text backgrounds. Set color for selection. Or let's call it selectable for text backgrounds. Yeah. Compare. Okay, let's see. All right. Okay, there's now a faint background. Yeah. I guess it's not bad. Yeah. Yeah. Maybe it should be a bit more. It's a bit faint, isn't it? But it's not bad. Let's put it on half, 128. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm. It's a bit confusing because now there are two colors. Like there's not just the selected color, but also, yeah, there are two colors now. I mean, in principle, it works, right? So it gives us, it shows us red is bad comparison, green pretty decent, right? Maybe what's not good is like you can't really see the difference between 99 and 100 with this color, right? Because the color looks almost the same. Maybe a 99% should still be kind of orange, you know, so that the jump only 100% is really green, and 99% is like in between green and red. Like you have this huge jump basically, because otherwise, like if it's close to 100%, it's nice, but it's not 100%. So it's not good enough. Only 100% is good enough. So I would say we need to change this here. And the color should be, let's see, color. So yeah, I would say color. So if similarity is smaller than 100, or let's say if it is 100, then color simply is this here, and we put here green color. Otherwise, else color equals hold on, we can simplify this. We just don't even need to blend. It's just green. 100% is green color. Good. But if it is less, then we have here 128 maybe. So similarity, hold on, it's a float. So if similarity is 1.0, similarity is 1, then this green color. Otherwise, it caps at somewhere between green and red, so orange somewhere. We could maybe make it a bit brighter. Maybe we can say 192. 192. Let's see how that looks. Basically, it should still be far away from green, so that you can see, it's not good. Okay, so single bundle. Let's see. So we select them all. Okay, so yeah, let's search for 99% here. 99. Here's a 99%. Okay, so so you can see already some difference, but I think it's not big enough, the difference. We need to go lower. Yeah, let's go with 128. 128. Yeah. I only show the 100%. 100% is green. Let's try this. Compare. Single bundle. Right. So let's search for 99 here. Okay, yeah. So now it's like, well, we could maybe make it a bit greener. It's now like yellowish, orangish, which I guess is okay. Yeah, at least it makes it really obvious, I guess. We can, so 128 plus 32, how much is that? 160. 160, yeah, let's try 160. Okay, so 99%, let's see. 99 here. Okay, so now it's like a yellowish green, which I think looks fair. Yeah, yeah, you can clearly tell that it is somewhat greenish, but it's not quite there. It's not quite. I think this is a good color. Yeah, yeah, this is good. So you can clearly see, okay, where are our 100% matches here, the green ones. Everything else is red or somewhat greenish. Yeah. Okay, that's cool. Okay, I like the coloring. Now we need to check like the actual. Are we happy with? So I'm happy with how it looks standalone. Like I think it's good that it draws like it just highlights it. So the background is still blue, so it matches the look of the others. So that's good. But then it draws over the it oof. Yeah, so I'm not sure. Like, so what I see here right now is I'm not sure. I mean, it's readable, so it's not bad, but I wonder if we select it, if it should not draw over the text, under the text. So because basically now there are two colors, the one here on the entire row and the one behind the text. So it's two rectangles have been drawn here, right? And they blend with each other. Hmm. 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 Yeah. Hmm. 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 I'm not sure. I mean, it's not bad, but it looks kind of weird. When you have it selected, you see clearly that there are two different colors here in this line. It's a bit weird. Hmm. I guess it doesn't help much that how would it look if we don't set this color now? Let's see. It probably then with the blue it probably looks weird then. Let's see. So this, okay. Ah yeah, okay, so actually it's not too bad. Well, okay. Hmm. Hmm. Maybe it's not, yeah. Maybe we should have like a blend between the blue and the target color, right? Maybe that would make sense, yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah, yeah. Because it's actually not too shabby, right? If it's like this blue, which is the same when we hover here, right? So like there's this consistency in coloring. But maybe we just make it a little bit like these reds and green, right? Yeah, so that you can see, you do see the distinction. Yeah, I think we can try this. What's the time now? 2 hours 12. Yeah, I think it's a good time for a break, and then next session we experiment a bit more with the colors, and need to clean up the code, make it a bit simpler and nicer. And yeah, but I like the direction. It already looks pretty promising here in this function list. Yeah. Okay, I hope you enjoyed, and I wish you a great day or night. Until next time, goodbye.